Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to embed PDF files in Google Sheet using Filedrop. So Filedrop is an easy to use file uploader for Google Sheet. You just need to drag and drop your files into the upload area and Filedrop will automatically upload them to your Google Drive and add them to your Google Sheet cells. You can upload one or multiple files at once like this. You can delete the files just by simply going over to the icon and click the delete, and you can also browse your upload history by going to the library tab. You can click on file there and add the file to your cell. You can also upload files from your Google Drive. Click on the Drive tab and it will automatically take you to your Google Drive and then add files from there. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to embed PDF files in Google Sheet using Filedrop. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.